beautiful day here in the Black Hills. I am at the Coon Hollow Trailhead here outside of Rapid City. I'm going to do the entire Flume Trail today. Well, not all the loops, but most of the Flume Trail. It should be a little under 14 miles. So I'm going to park a vehicle here. I'm waiting for a couple friends, and then we're going to go to Sheridan Lake and start at that end and work our way back this way. So it should be upper 80s today, so a beautiful day for a hike. So we're here at the Calumet Trailhead at Sheridan Lake. I've got Kelsey and Abby from Quick Signs. So if you need signs and vehicle wraps and banners and that stuff, check them out. So we're going to get started here. It should be just a little under 14 miles, and it's a beautiful day. Okay, we are finishing up here at the Flume Trail. Got the girls, we all survived. We got off the trail a couple times, but thanks to Kelsey's navigation skills, we found it again. So it was just over 14 miles and took us about 6 hours. So yeah, it was a great day and a little bit warm, but not too bad.